We have received a very special package today, one that we have been waiting for a few months. It's the Meta2 goggles. We haven't yet looked into it, so let's have a go, shall we?
Okay, so let's get started. Here we have the first box with the accessories. Inside of the box you will find the AC adapter with a variety of plugs for different socket types, a nifty headset stand, and two exchangeable forehead supports. Inside the main box you will find a nice pouch for the transportation of the goggles. You will also, of course, find the goggles themselves with a cable attached to the bag. At the moment, the goggles are tethered, which means that you have to connect them to the PC with a cable. However, the future iterations of the goggles will hopefully be wireless. Okay, thank you guys for joining us. We hope that you're as excited as we are about the possibilities of Meta. We hope to create many valuable applications for you, and see you in another video. Bye bye.